Hello and welcome to this class. And this is the number 32 for UTME questions. Now here, this question says that if minus 2x cubed plus 6x squared plus 17x minus 21 is divided by x plus 1, then the remainder is dash. Now we were told to find the remainder. To find the remainder, you use the remainder theorem, which is like this. Let's move into action immediately. Remainder theorem says that remainder is equal to f of what? Now, how do we find f of whatever it is? It is from this, right? Which is what is being divided with. That is the denominator. X plus what? 1. X plus 1. So since it's x plus 1 equal to 0, to make this x subject, it will be x equal to minus 1, because this is plus 1, we move to this side, making it minus 1. So this will be f of minus 1, right? This is f of minus 1, right? Where f of x is equal to this, because this is in respect of this, right? Minus 2x cubed plus 6x squared plus 17x minus 21. Just put it here. So in respect of this, that is what you're going to use this f of minus 1 in respect of this. Now, which means that wherever I see x in this particular question, I'll impute minus 1. Now let's move into action. That is f of 2 will be equal to, this is minus 2, open bracket, minus 1 is the power of 3, right? Plus this 6. Now x, which is minus 1 is the power of 2, plus 17. Then x, which is minus 1 minus 21, right? This is equal to minus 1 cubed is equal to minus 1. Just like when you see minus 1 times minus 1 times minus 1. Now, minus 1 times minus 1 is plus 1, right? Then plus 1 times this minus 1 will give us minus 1. So the answer will be minus. So this will be minus 1, right? Then minus 1 times minus 2. This is plus 2. So you write it as 2, right? Then this is minus 1 square. Minus 1 square will give you 1, positive 1. And 1 times 6 is still 6. So you have plus 6. Then minus 1 times 17. Minus 1 times 17 is negative 17. Because plus times minus is minus. So you have minus 17. And this the last number that is there is minus 21. So this will be equal to 2 plus 6 is 8. 8 minus 17 will give us minus 9, right? And minus 9 minus 21 give us minus 30, which is the remainder. So the answer to this question is minus 30, as you can see here. So it is actually very simple and very straightforward, and it's also short. So I believe you enjoyed this class. If you enjoyed, please give us a like and make sure you follow us for more of this. Thank you.
Subscribe for more of this kind of content. Thank you.